Good afternoon everyone. I am Sriram.
And I am Snehali. We are 8th grade students from SMS English Medium High School, Brahmavara, Udupi, Karnataka. Today we are excited to present our project EduServe 360. Did you know that in India's midday meal scheme, huge amounts of food are being wasted? This is because meals are cooked based on total enrollment rather than the number of students actually present.
Every day in our school, we see plates filled with half-eaten food ending up in the dustbin. At the same time, just outside the school campus, many children go to bed hungry. According to the UN's Food and Agriculture Organization, nearly 1/3 of all food produced globally is being wasted.
How much food do you think all schools across India waste in a single day? That's 28,000 tons every single day just in India.
That's a huge amount. This wastage is not only about food, but behind every single grain of rice, resources like food, energy and effort are being wasted right from farming to cooking until it reaches our plates.
This problem encouraged us to think differently, and with the support of Shell and Explorers methodology, we framed our problem statement. How can we reduce food wastage in schools during lunch breaks?
We studied the impact of food wastage on hunger, money and environment. After going through the research and invent stage of the curriculum and brainstorm different ideas like food awareness campaigns, meal feedback system, EduServe 360 and leftover repurposing, we finally choose EduServe 360 as the most practical choice through choose and develop stage of the N-Explorer curriculum.
Thanks to the Shell and Explorers methodology, we were able to think differently and create EduServe 360. Now, let's go through the prototype of EduServe 360.
As soon as the students enter the dining hall, their RFID cards are scanned. LED screen instructs them to stand on the weighing machine and push the button. Then it instructs them to place the plate where they could get rice. According to the student's choice, they can choose either egg or banana, but rice and roti are the compulsory. According to their requirement, it dispenses the food.
After the completion of the meals, the students are expected to go to the bin section of EduServe 360. Once again, the students are expected to scan their RFID cards at the bin section. The EduServe 360 instructs the students to keep their plate on a load sensor. The load sensor calculates the amount of food wasted by the student and gives the score accordingly. Then the bin is opened automatically so that the students can keep their plate inside the bin. To make it more engaging, each student receives a score out of 10. A perfect 10 is given when students complete all their food, while any wastage lowers their score.
Imagine if 500 students waste just 50 grams of food, it adds up to 25 kilograms of food being wasted in a single school every day. This wastage can be cut down drastically with EduServe 360.
In simple words, EduServe 360 is a smart food serving and waste monitoring system. It uses RFID for personalized serving, a sensor-based pin to track leftovers, and a point system to motivate responsible eating. Smart serving, smart saving. We are seeking sponsorships and partnerships to bring this solution to more institutions across India.
Our vision is to create a world where no food is wasted and every meal served contributes to a healthier, hunger-free and a sustainable future.
Our mission is to reduce food wastage in schools, hostels and canteens by combining technology with awareness. Our idea, EduServe 360, ensures fair portion distribution, saves resources and motivates responsible eating, and also supports SDG 2, 3, 11 and 12. EduServe 360, smart serving, smart saving.